In this fifth advanced video, we will show you how the Awingu multi-tenancy works. To show you, we have set up an environment with multiple tenants. To do so, what I have done is in the system settings, if you remember well, when you add a first tenant, you have to add a first domain. Well, actually, multi-tenancy is nothing more than just adding more domains to the configuration. So as you can see, we have several domains in here. So we have several tenants. So we have the Acme tenant, the Demo tenant, the Globex tenant, and the Huli tenant. Three of them go to the same Windows backend. The fourth one goes to another backend system. And what makes the Awingu multi-tenancy work is actually that per domain you add, if you go to the settings, there is a possibility to specify a specific host header. So as you can see, I'm now connected to demo.awingu.com. This host header is linked to this demo tenant. So Awingu knows that by going to that name, I'm automatically loading that tenant. If I would like to load another tenant, so let's, for example, check this one. The Huli tenant is, for example, linked to Huli, awingu.com. So if I would go with my browser to Huli, awingu.com, you will see that I'm opening another tenant with other branding, other logos, other colors. So you can actually specify everything per tenant. Once you have added the domain in Awingu with the correct host header, and it's, by the way, not limited to one host header, you can add as many host headers as you want. All the configuration can be done as you're used to from a single tenant. So everything on the left side of the configuration or even from the dashboard is tenant specific, and everything on the right side is for the full appliance. So if, for example, I would like to make a change to the Huli branding or the Huli configuration, I can just set the setting to Huli, go to the branding, and I can, for example, change the orange into purple. Save, and then, as you can see, on the moment I reload this page, the branding has changed.